guys, it's Kurt in the kitchen with my aunt, Shelby. That's not her name, but I call her that.
For the purposes of this video, it is.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
That's actually not a short video.
Okay. All right, Chef. It's ready. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, wow. It looks like mouse ears on this side.
It does.
We
made a couple of pancakes.
We have a straggler over here. We have a left behind. And you know what? It's done. It doesn't even need flipping.
It looks like hard, too.
Right? Okay, so these guys, what we need for here...
Today I'll be teaching you how to make pancakes.
Get all these...
Well, when you're done to the part where you have to pour them.
Right. All right, wait a minute. Let me spray. A quick little lube. All right. Have at it, mister. It's all you.
Did you call him miss?
Mister. Mister man. Okay. You got a little bit in the floor somewhere. I just don't want you to step in it. We're good. Look, I'll hold the bowl over. I don't know where it went. Oh, it went on the stove. It's fine. I'll give it a minute. All right. That kind of looks like...
Her in the kitchen?
Yeah, show them that.
This is what it should look like if you're making chocolate pancakes.
You should have these air bubbles right here, which means fluffy good.
Yes. More fluffy, the better.
Fluffy means it won't be stuffy.
Yeah.
And you won't have to call you Muffy. All right, here you go. Oh, this is making good air bubbles. Way to go. Noise. Whoops. Technical difficulties. Yep.
Alright. I'll angle it to
Right there.
y'all can see the pan.
There you go. Nice.
Hello.
Nice.
Alright.
Nice.
That look good?
Let me see. Just, well, it's still a little wet around the edges. Just give it maybe 30, 40 more seconds.
My aunt is helping me make pancakes.
Exactly.
Because it's my first time and I made a couple of
You'd never know. You'd never know it was your first time.
I made a little design with that one.
He's made mini pancakes. He's made heart-shaped pancakes with bubbles. He's made one that looked like a frog.
I'm just good at making pancakes.
Yeah, he's making pancakes, making pancakes, making it, putting it in a pancake. Making pancakes. What was that on? SpongeBob, wasn't it?
Pretty sure.
All right, there you go. Flip, real fast. Flip. Bloom. Noise.
Look at that.
Noise. That is actually perfect.
Look at that. It's a little flower.
That is perfect. That's what you call in the business. Perfect. Score.
It's a little flower.
Speaking loosely of a little flower, let me look about over here. What have we got going on here?
Yeah, you might want to put a little bit of flour in there.
Well, we'd have to put a little bit of everything. So we've got probably 2 more pancakes in this.
2 more? Yeah, we can settle with 2 more.
Boy, you really did a job with these.
Thanks.
They're going to be so sweet.
And after this, I believe my aunt will teach you how to make pancake batter.
Well, on the next episode. We gotta leave them, hanging, like and subscribe, and then, hit that like button and hit notifications. And next week, same place, start at the beginning.
Yeah. This is a pretty low channel because I'm not good at making videos.
We're noobs.
We're noobs at it, but I hope this channel can gain 1 million or maybe 1,000 subscribers.
Hey, if we get 10, I'll be happy.
Me too. I'm already vibing with my 1 subscriber.
Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm not greedy. Alright, we are fixing to make some fried eggs.
Oh yeah, she's making some bacon over there, and
I made the bacon,
pancakes.
but I'm fixing fried eggs, and I do not like this part.
How about that?
Let's look about it. Look at that. Hey, actually pretty good.
It's a flower.
Alright, while you are grabbing your bowl, bring your bowl to here. Hey, come on, man. Don't get clingy. He was like, he was getting clingy. There you go. And then when you spray, yep, perfect. When you dip, bring your bowl to the pan. I'll hold, or yeah, you can sit it over there. That's what I do. I just sit it over there. I'll hold it for you. I'm sous chef. Now, get you good and plenty there, Jack. Yeah, center of the pan. You can make a pancake.
It needs a little bit more.
It certainly does. And by a little bit more, he means
a lot.
a bleep ton of chocolate chip. Wow. That kind of looks like a tooth.
Hey, that could be the design.
There you go. That was the, and he calls this one
The
tooth cake. Wow. There you go. All right, here we go. This is going to be horrible, and I hate it. Hide it. Let me see. I'm going to stick this right here. You do it.
Soon I'll go live on TikTok when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll go live and make stuff.
Make it. Oh, I need to.
Gotta make it. Sorry.
Chill. 1, 2, 3. Come on, man. 5.
I'll upload weekly.
I'm sorry. Yeah, every Saturday. How's that?
Every Saturday and Friday.
Cool beans. Hey, Fridays we're gonna have to start doing like dinner stuff.
Yeah.
Like maybe some.
I might upload another video today.
Oh, you know. Let me put this. I need 4 hands.
I could have made the channel Cooking with Kurt.
Hey, that's your next.
Kurt is not my name, it's my nickname.
That's your next channel. This one was that.
Yeah, that'll be my next video. I mean, channel, not video.
Catch me on the flip side, Cooking with Kurt. Oh, that's your twin brother, right?
Who?
Kurt.
I don't have a twin.
That's right?
Yeah, totally my twin brother.
Totally my twin. Totally.
Totally.
Totally looks just like me, talks just like me.
Yeah. Has the same name.
Right.
Or a nickname, if you want to call it that.
They're both equally as good looking, equally as
Hey, I don't
charming.
get done.
Oh, sorry.
This is my last pancake.
There it is. You ain't got no more batter? You don't touch that side. Beep. There you go. There you go. Blah, 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 blah.
I wish I could have recorded this later, but it's fine.
Hey, baby, do you want some toast?
I'm recording with my phone. Soon I'll be able to get a camera. Hey, that's a better angle. But perfect.
Make a bigger pancake, pick up bacon and put it in a pancake.
She just lives in her own world.
And SpongeBob visits quite often. Patrick, he's my neighbor, and Sandy, she comes by sometimes, and Squidward also.
Look at that.
Get you guys from the regular show. I can't remember the names. Rigby and somebody, Mordecai or something.
All right, we good.
We good. All right. So what do you do to that?
That.
All the way there you go. All right. So then what you do is you get a plate. You get you a plate. We'll get a plate, fork, just in case, being fancy. And you can go and set this at the table.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you come back, there's the syrup you can sit in there. You're going to be the bacon. Hey. And then you got to be part of this.
Hey. You got yourself some food.
Yeah, what?
Look at these. Oh, there was chocolate in that. Delicious. This is amazing. You might only. Can you turn off that water thing? Because
yes.
I don't know if they can hear me or not.
Oh, yeah. You can fire me later.
I'm not going to fire you.
You can dock my pay.
Alright. Let's see how good I'll rate this. This does. No syrup?
You know a pancake's good if you eat it with no syrup.
Pancake, buddy.
Huh?
Delicious pancake, buddy.
I know.
That's awesome.
That is good. Let's rate Shelby's bacon. I rate that a 10 out of 10.
Every time you would refresh, there would be someone else that could repost it, and that had tens of thousands of
10 out of 10.
views. 10 out of 10. Like a snowball that rolled and rolled, and the internet just fed into it. There's dozens of different songs. It was I mean, the memes, give me a break, dude. That guy is a walking meme.
That is really good. And it's the first one that I made. Sorry, there's some. Huh? Oh. There was something stuck in my teeth. I had to get it out. I don't know why before I used a bottle, but whatever.
Do you need anything to drink, babe?
I'm gonna go ahead and open this bottle.
I'm waiting for some pancakes.
Right.
Every bit as good as I did, for real.
Everything at this table is a 10 out of 10.
My name is Brad Mulcahy. In 2013, I was a human interest researcher for the late night television show Jimmy Kimmel. My job is to find interesting stories or interesting clips and bring them to the person or email them to Jimmy or to track down what Jimmy likes. And then I try to find that person and get them on within 36 hours. First of all, we tend to hear things like especially like people who are genuine and whose reaction to something unexpected.
Shelby,
Yes, sir.
can you come in here and taste these pancakes? I want to know how you think about them.
And one day in the park, he's filming a rainbow, and as he's filming, the second rainbow begins.
Tasting pancakes.
These wouldn't be good with syrup, but they're good alone.
Just move over a little bit. See, this one is the, if you remember correctly, the bubble heart effect. See.
You probably can't see the heart on there, but
That's okay. I'm going to have to borrow this for just a moment.
put it on the water too.
Oh, get out here.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this. Okay.
Awesome.
And then we just... Okay.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
What?
Put syrup on them.
What are they? Oh, yeah. I forgot about chocolate chip. Ooh. Oh, yeah. I might not be able to eat all this because of my diabetes. I'll have to take an extra medication. All right.
Let's see how good.
Going in for the first bite. Going in for the first bite. Mm-hmm.
What are they going to do next? One of the biggest shows that I had the privilege of working on.
Probably not good with syrup.
Excellent. Actually, pretty sweet with syrup. Get it? Sweet. Actually, these are awesome. Very fluffy.
What do you rate it?
I get this. Presentation, 10 out of 10. Taste, 10 out of 10. Fluffiness, consistency, 10 out of 10.
What about you, Greg?
Overall, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Absolutely.
And it's excellent. I'm going to set that right there because I will eat the rest of that eventually.
That is awesome. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. See you next time.
Those are really good.
Goodbye.